Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn the topic parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Noun. Noun is a word which denotes the name of a person, place, animal, or a thing. For example, cow, dog, Rohan, house, teacher, table, etc. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word which is used in the place of a noun in a sentence. For example, he, she, they, them, me, etc. Verb. A verb is a word which denotes an action in a sentence. For example, eat, play, jump, write, sleep, etc. Adjective. An adjective is a word which gives more information about a noun or a pronoun in a sentence. For example, honest, strong, clever, beautiful, cold, etc. Adverb. An adverb is a word which adds and modifies a verb or an adjective in a sentence. It gives information about when, where, how, etc. For example, always, regularly, yesterday, slowly, quickly, etc. Preposition. A preposition is a word which denotes the relationship of a noun or a pronoun with other words in a sentence. For example, on, in, from, above, under, between, etc. Conjunction. A conjunction is a word which joins two words, phrases, or sentences. For example, and, because, but, yet, so, etc. Interjection. An interjection is a word which denotes a strong expression or an emotion in a sentence. For example, oh, wow, hooray, alas, ouch, etc. So here we have learnt about parts of speech. Hope this video was useful. Thank you.